Chubby! Chubby! Water! Chubby! Zero! All these animals got in the water.
Now what's going to happen?
But the shark's dead.
No, she's sleeping.
No.
Show me the big shark.
Gotta show him the tail.
No, show the camera the big shark. Hold it up. Oh goodness, that's almost as big as you are. Wow.
He's getting bigger.
Yeah, it's because he's eating up all those animals.
Yeah. He's getting bigger.
Wow.
Bigger and bigger.
Now what are you going to do?
Get it spin out.
What?
You got to think about that now.
That's not going into the water.
Hi, Nina. Bryce, say goodbye. Say bye-bye.
Goodbye.
No, the camera.
Goodbye.
Yeah, say wait, go like this. Say bye.
Hey, you gotta take a picture of the swimming pool.
Okay. Well, show me what they are. Show me what your toys are.
And a hippopotamus and two octopus.
Oh no, the boats sank. They're not supposed to be underwater.
No.
Oh.
But these boats aren't. You gotta put a core in this one.
Yeah.
Float.
That's like a ferry. A ferry boat.
A ferry boat?
Yeah.
Can be a ferry boat in the water?
We'll Google it when we get home and I'll show you what a ferry boat is. What?
I want to see these alligators.
Bryce, can you put your head under the water?
No.
I want to get on camera. Just like in the bathtub.
I can't put my head under the water.
Or go like this. Go.
I can do it like this.
Yeah. Do it. Wait. Okay, now do it now. Ready to go. I can't see you. Do it again. Do it again. Go deeper. Deeper. Oh no, here comes the shark. Oh no, here comes the shark.
No.
No, did that scare you? I'm sorry. I thought he woke up. I
sprayed him.
I haven't started. I'll go start it right now. No, let me do it. It is going to pour. It'll be here in about 5 minutes.
Say goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Don't cry. Don't throw it at me. Throw it this way, Bryce.
I'll talk to you later, buddy.
All right.
Look, take a picture of this one. Ooh.
Melissa.
What are you doing?
Hey, you take a picture. Ooh. Whoa, take a picture of this one. It's big. Ooh, back up. Take a picture of this